The SDLC deployment phase is the endgame of the software project. It involves customer acceptance and releasing the software to operate in the customer environment. A successful deployment involves many departments to transform the validated software into a full production product, used by the customers to satisfy their business needs. In the deployment phase, the software is transformed into a product and installed in the production environment, where it will be used by the customer. The transformation of validated engineering code into production software takes the work and support of many company departments. Documentation must produce manuals, and training must create classes to support users and administrators. If the software is a product that will be sold, logistics must arrange for packaging and shipment, and marketing must set up the supply chain and produce the materials used to market and sell the product. As the main work of the software developers and testers is done, they will start to transition to new projects which are ramping up. But development team leads, most knowledgeable in all aspects of the system, will remain involved to troubleshoot issues found in early deployment, assist in training and documentation efforts, and help transition the software to the new support team. The support team may consist of administrators, operators, professional services, and help desk workers who will support customers using the system. Often, internal and external acceptance testing will be conducted with small focus groups to flush out any issues before full production. Alpha tests are known as internal acceptance testing, conducted in-house at the developer site. The testers consist of small groups of customers interested in the release or an independent test team. An environment is set up to simulate the production environment, where alpha testers can interact with the software. Beta tests are known as external user acceptance testing, where the software is released to a limited group of customers to test in their own environment. The developers and QA are heavily involved during alpha and beta testing to document, fix, and verify any bugs found. As defects are closed, new releases may be created and delivered, along with a list of bugs closed in the new release. This cycle of finding defects, fixing them, and issuing new releases may repeat multiple times during testing. When all rounds of acceptance testing are complete, the software will be deployed into production. There are two types of production software, each with its own different production environment and support needs. A managed system is installed in a company's IT environment and accessed by many users. This could be an internal-facing system, like a help desk tracking application or customer resource management system. Or it could be an external-facing system, like a company's website, used to perform e-commerce with customers. Managed systems are used to conduct a company's business and require many resources to help them run smoothly. Logistic needs include space for the equipment, with adequate cooling, power, and networking, as well as the servers and supporting software licenses for operating systems, databases, and application servers. Other resources include highly skilled personnel dedicated to administration and keeping the system operational. Production software that will be sold as an off-the-shelf software product requires more packaging than managed systems, but they do not require the company provide an operational environment, since the product will be installed at the customer's site. To support external customers, the company will need a help desk call center with trained staff and customer-facing resources like a website with information about the product and the ability to download updates and supporting software, like software drivers. In the case of large enterprise system products like a DBMS or CRM system, professional services could be deployed to assist customers in setting up and customizing their system. Production software is accompanied by many artifacts which help transform it from validated code into a product. It must have an installation script or application to aid in installing and configuring the software in the production environment. Installation may be guided by README files, installation instructions, and quick start flyers. And the software should have a user's manual, explaining how to use the features and functions of the system. A large enterprise managed system will also be accompanied by operation and maintenance support documents, telling the support personnel how to configure and administer the running system. This could also include instructions on how to configure external systems to communicate with the software, such as loading the application schema onto an existing DBMS database. Marketing artifacts will include brochures and promotional material to hand out at conferences and stores. Complex systems may be associated with white papers describing the issues the product solves. Marketing is also heavily involved in the design of the product packaging, including the box design and enclosed flyers, with information on warranties, installation codes, and promotions. And the method of transporting the software to the customer needs to be implemented, whether it's a website for download or a portable media like a DVD. The production of training classes and material is crucial to a smooth deployment. Clear, concise training material and classes help end users feel comfortable with the new software, enabling them to quickly come up to speed and become productive. Help desk workers need training classes and quick help material in order to support customers who are learning the new software. And in enterprise managed systems, operator and administrator training is critical in keeping the software operational so it can continue to run the company's business.